Hi guys, today we're making banana bread. I've got 3 medium-sized bananas here. We're going to start by mashing them. Make sure you get all the pieces of banana out.
You could you usually use browner bananas though, don't you?
Yeah, you would usually use the brown bananas.
Because
I'm out of those.
they're sweeter.
Ow! Hands!
Preferably a fork.
Preferably 4. Let me just get them.
Okay.
Bananas all mashed. I'm just going to convert it into my mixing bowl. Oh, gently.
Hey Nigella.
Nigella Lawson is my name.
So next we're going in with the sugar.
We're going in with the sugar.
140 grams.
140
Bring the scales over here.
grams. Now we're going in with our sugar.
Okay.
Sugar.
Very enthusiastic. So she's doing, get it precise, okay?
Get it precise, girls. You
Just
need
pour it.
to
Just
pour it in.
Just do it.
Should I do it like this?
Yeah, perfect, so I can see. Slowly, slowly, stop. Okay. It's okay, we're just removing out the excess.
Great.
It's going in with
in with the banana. Oh,
combined.
combined it. Now butter.
It's okay. Grab this one. It's okay.
Ooh. Okay, you can use your hands. It's okay.
Fine.
It's fine.
That's too much. I can. Oh no, maybe that might be perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah, that will do.
That'll do. And then into
Chuck it in the microwave for a sec.
microwave.
She's gonna chuck it in the microwave for a
And
second.
check this in the microwave for a second or 2.
Can you put metal in the microwave?
No. I'm just heating the butter up to dissolve the sugar.
Okay. In an American accent.
Oh, sorry. Man.
And once melted, what are you gonna do?
You're going to put it in your mixture. Now the butter's partly melted. Chuck it in. Oh, yes. This is my best part. The best part.
Best part.
The best part of your heart.
Combine it together.
Oh, I wish you could smell this right now.
Delish.
Delicious.
Do you want to add a bit of vanilla extract?
Oh, vanilla. Now, vanilla extract goes in, a splash.
Maybe dump some blueberries in.
Oh, and now for the blueberries. They've been washed. There they go. Once it's all combined and it looks something like this, we are going to crack an egg. Like this. Oh! Oh! I've just measured out 140 grams of flour. Now I've got my sieve here ready for action. I'm going to pour it in the sieve gently, and using the sieve makes it nice and fluffy, and the cake will be fluffy.
Perfect. That's it. Keep going.
Oh yes. Fluffy. Yep. Okay.
Okay, that'll do.
So
That's it.
that's it. We just gently fold it in. Give it lots of air because everyone needs to breathe. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Just fold that. Once your mixture looks like this, we're going to convert it into a greased tray. For a bit of decoration on top, I'm going to have a sliced apple. Wow. Ooh,
Nice and thin.
nice and thin. Dash of cinnamon. Wow.
And then a sprinkle of sugar to caramelise the apple.
Oh, very clever. Oven's heated to 180.
Going in. How long for?
50 minutes. It takes 50.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Wow.
Oh, does that look cooked? Love that song now.
She's an actress and she ain't got no beef.
She's got money from her parents and a trust from back